blame the system, blame the government, blame. People blame God. Don't say God knows what you want for Nigeria. God knows. That's why he pushes you. Because God doesn't make mistakes. It's not a mistake. The problem is, you guys think Nigeria is the problem because you have limited your destiny locally. I'm a Nigerian, but I'm a global citizen. God did not say don't go out. He said, they just born you here, that's all. He didn't say they born you here, you die here, you born here, you marry here, you live here, everything. No. They born you here. Any other thing, God said, be fruitful and multiply. Amen. Amen. Any last question? But somebody has to go. We're going to the main stage now because I have my other facilities. Jemima, please get up. Please stop picking up please don't let us recognize you. Let us recognize you. Yes. And we are going to be joined by Ms. Nicole. After we're going to be joined by Sarah Amy. Now we're going to be joined by Mr. Michael Williams. They are going to tell you now, those of you that say you have thousands of content, beautiful content. First of all, the self-assessment of content is a problem. Because you need to assess it against quality. Because what's another problem? In Africa, we don't like corrections. We don't like when we don't like criticism. You know what I'm saying? And I've seen a lot of people just fail more because they're not opening their eyes to what the market is demanding. It's what they feel they can produce. So people say, Kafi, why you don't put me? But I dance, and I didn't finish and pass. But I didn't play now. If you finish and pass, I will know. Because I created the thing where you finish. Do you understand what I'm saying? Sometimes self-assessment, open yourself up for people to create. People that can give you positive ones, constructive ones, not those that just want to wash you down. You understand what I'm saying? So before Toby goes, and we go into a major conversation, and we're still going to do an active class. Okay? So
written class. This one is to speak.
Yes. Yes. Before it goes, anybody else have anything to say? Ask. We'll just take two, then we can give us a. So here then.
Thank you so much. So I was saying for the opportunity for dance, center for production. I would say the center just for sponsors.
No, if you heard me well, where I started from, I said as a dancer you can even ask because you can express. You're creative. So stunt is just one of it's a market that's opening up right now. Stunt is opening up. There are a lot of action movies coming in Nigeria. Where action series are coming, and you can't be a stunt man. So it's a market that's opening up, and that's what I'm talking about, especially. So that's about it. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for this opportunity, sir. I'm going to, I'm with my friend here, Lagos State University. And my question is, we came all the way from Ojo actually, and we even got information this morning from there's something going on here. Now, we're not saying we are waiting for this one to last. You've been mentioning things, you have been saying things like I'm like, there's nothing in Lagos, you have been mentioning things like I'm like, no. The point is, we feel weak, most of us feel like we are living, we the trenches, we say ultra, like, it's not about acquisition. So why is it not people that feel like location is in hard, because I feel like if you feel like it's close to the last level ESCOM and last few months to be able to come, to be able to see that in school, meanwhile we're not going to see it. I mean, I'll go for you for those people that feel like, I mean, last two, couple of us, two of us, I've heard you, how many of you check Instagram in the first 5 minutes you woke up this morning? The other in the first 5-10 minutes I woke up, you check Instagram. How many of you saw when scrolling? You saw people you didn't even know, or content you didn't even know. You saw things like, it's not my business, yes or no? Do you understand? Sometimes, are you telling me to not say a group of dancers that you don't know their mom or dad, you don't know their life, you don't know wherever they are coming from, but their content is on your page or is on your page, yes or no? So what is everywhere
See, this is what the internet has done. The way we are like this, online, that's how we are. So, you thinking you are that they talk like fast because no cost like that. You understand? So you need to pay yourself. But what I'm telling you is like, don't think you're far away. Don't think you're in the trenches. There are people, the major of the most entertaining, or some of the most entertaining content creators we have as per comedians. Where were they before? You were in the East now. Were you in the East? But guess what? They are doing shows in London now. They are doing shows in UK now. In Lagos, they are accepted more than any other thing. You understand? Some of them are even still in the East, and in Lagos, they are popping. So, are you not in Lagos? Do you get it? So, this is just a trick of, sometimes just change your perspective. Don't think, people are not thinking like that, so don't think they are thinking like that. Don't find out to the last people on it now. They will continue to throw you. You understand? There's a bigger audience compared to those people. So just focus on that.
Another thing you can do so that you can be proactive is can you create a digital community with all these people that say that exist? WhatsApp group, Telegram group, invite people like us to come live on us. You can create Zoom calls, you can do Zoom meetings. I don't need to come to last physically. I can be right there on your phone. If you create that and you send us a letter and say, we have 500 students gathered on a Zoom call and we would like to have you, and you send a text message and send one of them. Even if you send 10 to sure. And that's why you start bringing, you can bring the value to your community. You are here now. Be the one to take us there. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay?
Okay, so you see, you will find Zoom. So sorry, maybe you don't see it happening, but you understand. You answer now. Sorry, I'm in need for. Maybe I see your face. Your look is interesting for camera. I probably know. Your look is interesting for camera. So I promise you. So you now you just do something online. You do your dancing, your dancer, whatever it is you do your thing and you put it out there. It is good enough, people will engage. Do you understand? Your family will invest wine in this is who your haters are. Is that why I was doing the leg like that? You will start get engagement. And guess what? Somebody will see it somewhere. The director that casted me for most of the movies she didn't know me from any other. What did she see? My social media page and she was like, I like his body vibe. That was it. So, and they came to look for me. I did not go say, oh, mama, I can act or this and that. You understand? I shot a commercial when I was like years back in South Africa. They didn't come, I didn't go and message them or my agency was messaging them that please will look for me. No, they shouldn't for me. So I went to South Africa. So let them.
And one thing all of you should also know, people don't only engage perfection, they engage the process towards it. I have seen people that started following people that, when this person really dance, bro, you don't the better. People like that.
And that's a story.
Are you a story? And some of you are a story, but you're in chapter 1 and you're vexing about people that chapter 10.
Mama, you know some of them are too scared to even tell their story.
Yes.
Mama, they're not posting. When you are, because it's not the best dance video, you don't want to post it. Let them see your journey, let them see your growth.
Send it forth. Your faith, let it go forth. Post a video, do something, and send it forth. It has reached somewhere. It's just that there are some doors that need more pressure than the other. Some doors just want pressure, they won't go. Some doors they just need one, 2, 3, 4. They keep pushing, they won't go. Not all doors open immediately.
Mama, now tell people.
You understand what I'm saying? You are stopping your process is part of your progress. Because the process prepares you for the success. You understand what I'm saying? Like I'm a rapist now. You get what I'm saying? So, like I used to be that person that, perfectionist, we just want it perfect. But I found so much fulfillment in the ability to just start it and progress with it. And I give myself a pat in the back for every little moment that I was able to unlock. Not the big one. The big one gets boring when you get there. It's nothing as sweet as the process.
Oh, you know this thing, like, I just love the way God does this thing. When I was here and I was sitting down at the area over there, a young lady was meeting a young guy before. This was something like I don't know. He was giving the young guy a job, and then what he was just saying, like, I don't know what creative space he needs, but he was frustrated. Like, what do I have to do? What do I? And I was just saying that, come, enjoy the journey, enjoy the process. And they were talking like, I'm like, sorry, I'm from Nigeria and I have employees plenty. Sorry, brother. What I told him was, sometimes change your perspective. The journey is the destination. Because by the time that destination you need to get to, by the time you get there, you are going on another journey. So what is constant? Journey. Destination will change. Journey, you are always on the journey. So enjoy the ups and downs. You don't go to create content creation. A lot is going to happen to you in your life. Like, just enjoy the up and down of it. And my last tip never is involved. Consistency in this life is what wins. If you're a bad dancer, trust me, as far as you keep dancing, one day you that bad dancer they need. So consistency, as far as you're rolling, there is one day you grow succeed. So regardless of what space you're in, regardless of what life is putting in the world, if you're consistent enough, and for you to be consistent enough, that means you want people believe it deep inside of you. And for you to be consistent enough, trust me, you're going to win.
Yeah, please, round of applause for Mr. Jose. And never forget one thing. Sometimes you are not selected because of the talent. You are selected because of the attitude towards it. Okay? I have gotten endorsement. You guys saw me on the billboard on the NSC. It was international. It started as a sub-Atlantic, sub-Saharan African campaign, but my story made it the most successful campaign they ever did, and they got an award for it, and they made it a global campaign. Whoa, so I'm not dance here. They just call it, they say, whoa, that this person did not give up. And she never stopped, never settled. Find out unique Africans that never stopped and they never settled. And they selected me. So it takes some time that hustle, that failing and getting up, that you are too shy to let people see, is what some people are looking at as a product. The things that you are going after, the byproduct of the real product itself, which is the journey of being that thing for yourself. Do you understand what I'm saying? You are looking at the carrot when you are the gardener.
Is this playing?
You just need to know everything that's saying here. Nah, you know what this is life.
Testimony.
And they say what? When they say human being, what's that? The B, the B in the B. How do you spell it? What is it? ING is what? What is it in English? A continuous what? Is that human? God did not say. Human became human abuse. He said human being. Some of you want to be one thing for a long time because you think it's sweet. But can you continue to be from tailor? You are the tailor that sews. You are the tailor that and sews for the people that give the things that they are. And you are the tailor that acts.
Guidance of fitness too.
So be everything that. Look, like I told people in the morning, I said, the person that is a jack of all trades and master of none is go and kill him. Because, do you know why? Because if by all the religious things we've heard in the world, God is bred into us, and God is limitless, how dare we have limits? You can be master of everything, exception and master of none. You can be average at plenty and master of two. But it's better than not cultivating the other parts of you that end up becoming an ecosystem for who you are. my love for sports, my love for martial arts, my love for dance, my love for a lot of things that I am doing has constituted to the capacity of who I am to have the tenacity to force through any situation.
I have over there. God bless you guys. Last minute.